Welcome to City Grillin'. My name's Rob Bohr, and in this episode, something completely different. It's called Yukatan shrimp. Basically, it's a peel and eat shrimp that is just spicy and delicious. And I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Instead of boiling the shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and cook it on the grill. But let's start first with our sauce for this Yukatan shrimp. I have a tablespoon of butter in this pot right here, and it's on a low heat, and I have some freshly chopped garlic that I'm just going to place inside of this pan right now. Let this get fragrant a little bit. Cook this for about 2 minutes or so until you start to smell that buttery garlic, right? So we'll come back here in just a few minutes. All right, so the garlic and butter look good. I'm going to do 3 more tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt inside our pot. And at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and add my chili paste. You can use Samel. Any of that will work for you. It'll really kick it up and taste good. And then I'm also going to do a lime. I'm going to squeeze the lime juice right inside of here, just like so. Try to get as much out as I can. Just like that. As that butter melts in there, oh boy, you can really smell this. This smells wonderful. This spiciness, this tartness. You can do also a little bit of sea salt in here, just a couple spoons of that. And go ahead and start mixing this up. Again, this is our sauce. We're going to pour this over our shrimp once it's been cooked. So I'll let this simmer here just for a minute to make sure the butter is all melted. And then I'm going to turn the heat off and just let it rest right there as I cook my shrimp. All right, I'm out on the grill. I have the grill set about 375, almost 400 degrees. Medium-high heat is what I'm looking for. It's a little bit on the warm side, but once I open this up, some of the heat's going to dissipate. So, I've already sprayed a little bit of oil on this pan that I'm going to use in here, and I can even wipe the oil around on here just to make sure that shrimp doesn't stick. I have only a pound of shrimp for this recipe, so it's kind of like an appetizer or a meal for 1 or 2. All right, so I'll go ahead and place the shrimp in here, just like so. A little bit of moisture from the water. And I'll let this cook for about 2 minutes or so. I'll rotate it around, flip it, maybe a total of 4 minutes. I'm going to watch to make sure the shrimp becomes opaque. It's a little transparent right now, as we can see. It's going to get pink and opaque. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. We'll take a look. Oh yes, it's got the shrimp's doing real nice. Starting to turn pink. I'm just going to shake it in the pan here. I can use my fingers a little bit. Get some tongs and brush it in here. And just make sure, I'll go ahead and flip them some more with some tongs that I have. Not a problem, just to make sure the shrimp are going to get cooked. And I'll of course cook this for at least another 2 minutes yet. I'm going to watch them. Depending on your heat, you just got to watch the shrimp. All the seafood's difficult to cook the first time or second time, but once you get the hang of it, it's really quite easy. All right, it's been another 2 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, the shrimp look great. That's what I'm looking for. These pink shrimp, again, they're opaque, they're white inside now, so they're ready to eat. So I'm gonna take this inside, I'm gonna turn off the heat, and we'll put the sauce on and take a look at it, our next step here. Okay, we're inside. I brought the shrimp in. Let me go ahead and put it in this bowl just like so. You can't see it from that angle. Go ahead and put the shrimp in. I dropped one. So the next thing, I'm going to take my sauce I made earlier, right? That butter, garlic, chili paste in there. Oh, this will be so good. It smells so good. I'm just going to drizzle this over top of the shrimp just like so. Get as much of this garlic I can out of it. Just like that. Go ahead and mix this up. You can toss this in the bowl. I can do a little bit larger bowl, but that's okay. No problem. Just improvise as you go. So now that it's coated, I'm going to put in some chopped up jalapenos. That's just actually 1 jalapeno in here. So got that chopped up real nice. I love jalapenos. And then some cilantro, about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Fresh cilantro is the best. You can pick up easily at the grocery store. Just do the quick little mix with this. Just like so, and you have your Yukatan shrimp. You can serve this with some bread. Oh boy, this smells wonderful. I know there's a small piece of shrimp in here. I'd like to see if I can find it. There it is. I know it's going to be hot. I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this up. Peel off the shell. Oh, that butter. It's gonna be a messy little appetizer dinner treat, but oh, it's gonna be so good. Oh yes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get this recipe at citygrill.com. You're gonna love it.